Sample problem on compound curves. Basahin na natin yung sample problem natin. A compound curve is to connect two tangents having an intersection angle of 72 degrees and 30 minutes. The first curve has a radius of 260 meters and the second curve has a radius of 420 meters. The central angle satisfy the ratio I1 is to I2 equals 4 is to 5. And we're asked to determine the values of I1 and I2. So, ito yung figure natin, no? Ito yung mga usual na components ng compound curve, PC, PCC, PT, PI. We have given yung R1 and R2. And given din yung intersection ng dalawang tangents natin, which is 72 degrees and 30 minutes. Kailangan natin kunin dito is yung, or R, no? R yung values ng I1 and I2. Given na yung ratio daw ng I1 and I2 is 4 is to 5. So, sa solution natin, madali lang to, no? So we have the ratio of I1 and I2 is just equivalent to 4 over 5. Therefore, pwede natin i-express either si I1 in terms of I2 or I2 in terms of I1. So, mas madali, I1 na lang, no? Is equivalent to 4/5 times I2. So, therefore, since meron tayong identity or property ng compound curves na yung total na intersection is just equivalent sa summation ng dalawang central angles ng dalawang curves. So we have 72 degrees, 30 minutes. That's equivalent to I1 natin is expressed in terms of I2. That's 4 over 5 I2 plus I2. And simplify natin yan. We have 70 degrees, 30 minutes is equivalent to 4 over 5. Ito magiging 5 over 5. So, that's 9 over 5 I2. And then, we get I2 as 4 over 9 times 72 degrees, 30 minutes. That's equivalent to, dito tayo sa calculator natin, i-confirm nyo na lang, no? 72 degrees, 30 minutes times 4 over 9, or 5 over 9 pala, no? Hindi pala siya 4 over 9. That's 5 over 9. So, that's equivalent to 40 degrees, 16 minutes, and 40 seconds. Yan. So, ito na yung I2 natin, no? So, ibabox na natin yan. And then, for I1, babalik tayo dito sa first na equation natin. So, we have I1 is just equivalent to, the difference naman ngayon, no? I minus I2. That's equivalent to 72 degrees, 30 minutes. Minus I2, that's 40 degrees, 16 minutes, and 40 seconds. That's equivalent to 32 degrees, 13 minutes, 20 seconds. Yan. So, ito na, no? Ito na yung final na answer natin. So, I think ito na yun, no? Para sa sample problem na to. And again, no? Thank you for watching and see you sa mga next na mga sample problems natin.